Hello and welcome. This is Bijan Hushiar. Cisco Router's iOS is not a flat database. It has different modes. In this lesson, you learn how to navigate different modes of a Cisco router. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Cisco Router's iOS is not a flat database. It has different modes. When you turn the router on, you'll access User Mode. From User Mode, you can access Privilege Mode. From Privilege Mode, you can access Global Configuration Mode. From Global Configuration Mode, you can access other modes such as Interface, CON, VTY, and Router modes. In order to connect to the command line interface of a Cisco router, you need to connect the serial port of a terminal PC to the console port of the router using rollover cable. The terminal PC must be running a software such as PuTTY. When you turn the router on, you're going to see the message that would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog, yes/no. When you see the prompt, would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog, just type no and press enter. Then press enter one more time. You'll access the user mode of the router. The prompt for the user mode is router greater than sign. In user mode, you can type question mark, press enter to see all the commands that are available at this mode. Two of the most commonly used commands are enable to access privilege mode and exit to exit from user mode. After accessing user mode of the router, type enable and press enter to access privilege mode. Privilege mode has following prompt, router #. You can type question mark, press enter at privilege mode to observe all the commands that are available at this mode. Some of most commonly used commands are configure terminal to access global configuration mode of the router. You can perform variety of show commands. You can also perform copy command to copy a file from a source to a destination. You can perform reload command to restart your router. You can also perform exit command to go back to the user mode. After accessing the privilege mode of the router, you can type configure space terminal and press enter to access global configuration mode of the router. The prompt for global configuration mode is router open parenthesis config close parenthesis #. If you type question mark and press enter, all the commands available at this mode are going to be displayed with their explanation. Some of the most commonly used ones are listed on this slide for you. In order to access interface mode from global configuration mode, you need to type following command: interface space the interface name and its ID, in here gigabit 0/0. The prompt for interface mode is router open parenthesis config -if close parenthesis #. If you type question mark and press enter, all the commands available at this mode are going to be displayed and explained. Some of the most commonly used ones are IP address, no shutdown, exit, end, description, duplex, and shutdown. In order to go back from interface mode of the router to global configuration mode, type exit, press enter. In order to access the CON mode of a router from global configuration mode, type following command: line space con space 0 and press enter. The prompt will change to router open parenthesis config dash line close parenthesis #. If you type question mark and press enter, all the commands at this mode are going to be displayed and explained. Some of the other common commands at this mode are access dash class, no, password, login, and exit. To go back from CON mode to the global configuration mode of the router, type exit, press enter. To access virtual terminal mode of the router from global configuration mode, type line space VTY space 0 space 4. Press enter. The prompt for VTY is router open parenthesis config dash line close parenthesis #. If you type question mark and press enter, all the commands available at this mode are going to be displayed and explained. Some of the most commonly used ones are following: password, login, exit, no, access dash class, transport. To go back from the virtual terminal mode all the way to the privilege mode, type end, press enter. End will take you back from any mode that you're in to privilege mode of the router. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video and you found it informative, please don't forget to recommend it to others who may be interested. Thank you.